Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I start with a light scrub, so it's from Garnier. It's a gentle exfoliating gel. It's really nice, I like it. It leaves my face radiant and glowy. After my face is cleaned, I will moisturize with some Vaseline. I apply this highlighter from Yardley that I love. I love this highlighter. Okay, it's not a highlighter, it's a eyeshadow, but it's so nice as a highlighter. I use it as a highlighter. I put the highlighter in all the areas that I want the light to reflect, where I want my face to glow. Will then lightly fill in my eyebrows to give them a fuller look. Some mascara on my eyelashes to make them pop, to open my eyes. If you liked it, give me a thumb up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.